Hi there, welcome back to Art with Mrs. Fields. Today our focus is going to be on laundry art, so you can create some art out of your clean laundry. You can come up with an idea on your own, or you can use a famous piece of artwork for your inspiration. Here are a couple more photos for inspiration. Here are a few examples where you can see how they have taken the original artwork and then recreated it with laundry. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.